Good day, sir. This is my summary of Chapter 4. Introduction. The operation of businesses in the hospitality industry involve transforming inputs into outputs with tangible service and hospitality elements. Managers face complexity in managing the process due to the competitive nature of the industry. Understanding hospitality operation is crucial for managers to make strategic decisions and adopt suitable business tools and technology to meet their goals. What is management? Operations functions are essential for food service and accommodation businesses, converting raw materials into sellable products that meet customer expectation in quality and price. Maximizing value and market targeting with proper tools and techniques. Operation management in hospitality involves transforming raw materials into product, necessitating coordination between suppliers and employees to ensure quality, design, and control mechanisms for marketable products. Planning, decisions, organizing, leading, and controlling is the crucial for the operation manager to visualize the unique features of the desired outputs of the business. What are the common issues faced by operation managers? Operation managers plays a crucial role designing efficient business operation to fulfill orders in line with the organization mission. They must be familiar with the enterprises and address unique yet similar challenges across service, merchandising, and manufacturing sectors. Number 1. Gathering information from sales and marketing personnel about customer order. Number 2. Ensuring the availability of supply. Number 3. Maintaining the quality of inputs of business and the outputs of operations. Number 4. Maintaining processing time. Number 5. Monitoring the process. Number 6. Activities, expertise, and technologies to resolve the above operations issues. What are the business tools and technologies that address the operations management concerns? Number 1. Telephones. Business tools that facilitate communication within the business facilitate transactions with suppliers and customers of the company. Number 2. Emails are used to transmit information. It performs similar to telephones, but this can provide more detailed information. Number 3. Recording, keeping, and data processing. This is crucial for tracking the supply and process them into useful information. Number 4. Manuals are essential tools to maintain the quality outputs of operation through prescribed sets of activities and processes. They act as a control to reduce the frequency of undesirable outcomes. Number 5. Audits and actions to allow managers to keep track of quality and evaluate output compliance with standards for a given period. Number 6. Internet. The Internet has revolutionized modern operations by enabling widespread communication and data collection, benefiting the hospitality industry through innovation, improved service delivery, and enhanced connection. Some broadband platforms for transformation is business to business, business to consumer, business to consumer. So this is my summary of Chapter 4. Thank you, sir.